to see 950 get hit and see if we can catch bullish pressure, or if it's even gonna flip. I want to see if we come down to 950, bro. The one time I don't wake up early for fucking CPI, bro, this shit was free, bro. I think it has room to keep going. I want to see like a flip after though, but we'll see what happens. If not, I'll be fucking tradeless. And this shit is fucking free. I mean, it has room for another 20 points, but I'm not taking a trade for 20 points. I want it to keep going down, but I really want to wait on it. See, it's midline of orb here. Trade, I'm just waiting on it. So far, I have no trade. Like, it could bounce from here, but I would like for it to go lower. So when I'm indecisive, there's nothing for me. I'm not like secretly cooking a trade. I'm just watching. I'd love to see NQ go bearish, break out of this orb, ES stay inside, and then NQ break back in, and then we just buy it all the way up. I want the NQ breakout and the ES stay inside, guys. I've been calling this for 4 minutes. Yeah, I want to see instant reaction and NQ break back into orb here, and then I'll consider looking for buys. So for those that like get upset, they don't know when we're in, I'm explaining to you what I want to see, and if I see it, I'll take a trade. If not, there's no trade. I like it to flip. I want to see if ES breaks back in. That's what I was waiting for. I want to see if ES could break past this midline, and then I'll probably take it too. Looking real good. I got filled terrible. I got filled at 41. I want to see a full flip. That's what I was waiting for. The breakout and the break back in. Let's see. This is beautiful. It's a full inversion. Really solid. Wow, I trimmed and it killed my entry. What the fuck? I'm holding it, but that shit rose my entry to 57 from 40. My god, bro, this shit's ripping. Fucking ripping. This is gonna be real TP up here. Structure shift. I'm leaving my stop at 59. I'm gonna see if this flips the whole way. I already took partials. My partial fucked me, bro. It rose me to, it took my entry to 57. ES fucking swept. And I want to see if NQ is gonna keep popping or not. NQ midline right here. Oh, I really want to see what it does when we take 20,000. They're gonna reject it or not. Yeah, I have 2 micros sitting at 91. 2 partials sitting at 88. I already paid myself. Nice. Looking solid here. We'll put one more. I'm trailing the whole way through though. Like my next trail's at 73. Then I have 2 break even. That was fucking gross. That was gross. Thing is, it was kind of picture perfect, honestly. Picture perfect. My last 2 micros are sitting here at 60. It's gonna take me out if it goes to 60. That was just fucking beautiful. I wanted, and look, before this happened, guys, I explained. Y'all complain that we don't say when we're getting in. I explained exactly what we wanted to see, so you guys should have been ready for it. I wanted NQ to go way deeper and ES to kind of lag behind. And I said once ES breaks back into orb, because I don't want it to get too far out. Look how far out NQ got. This is the confluence here. This is where you look at the confluence between the two. ES broke back in simple, NQ just ripped. And we said this like at 9:40, 20 minutes ago. Do I think it's gonna flip back down? No, if I did, I wouldn't be holding runners. I'm still holding runners. I paid myself already 500 and I have 2 runners still running. I already paid myself. And that was with 5 micros. Solid 50-point trade. I'm still holding the long to this day. Still holding it. I don't like this stall out here. Like ES actually took the highs and is stalling out. I mean, regardless, I'm just gonna hold it. I really don't care about this trade anymore. There's the breakout. Let's see. I'm just sitting 50 points in profit. If this breaks, it's gone. I can really see it go, but it has to break. US inflation rises to 2.4%. That should make the market go down, to be honest. Inflation going up should make the market go down because then they raise interest rates, which makes the market go down. Or below forecast. Okay. It's fucking ripping, my boy. 2.5 expected, 2.4 printed. That is still bullish, to be honest. I didn't get all that insight. 10 point candle about to fucking rip right now. I can't believe my scale out fucked my entry, bro. It rose it to 57, bro. I was in at like 39. That's just fucking all like 20 points. Wimped out and took profits. Pussy. Still holding that long. Correct. ITP, bro. I'm taking this bitch to the top and I really don't care. I'm going to 22,100. I'm just floating right now. Floating. 80 points in profit, by the way. It's called Don't Be a Bitch. Am I still holding? Of course I'm still holding, guys. Fucking send you a picture of my fucking nuts. They're huge. Always holding. Of course I'm holding. You guys crazy? I'm a holder. I was a door holder when I was in fucking, he said I can kick your fucking ass. Fucking shorty. Do you sell? Did I sell the Porsche? Why the fuck would I sell the? I'm actually considering selling the Porsche. I want to go get a Bentley. Give you 5K for the Porsche, buddy. I don't even think you can get the seatbelts for 5K. I wonder if I take a partial, will it fuck up my entry even worse, bro? Oh my god, my entry just, I clicked the wrong button. No, my trade was looking so pretty, up 100 points. Now it's fucking only up. Bro, I just closed the trade, bro. I clicked buy instead of sell. That shit rose my entry to fucking 80. Fuck me, bro. Whatever. 800 on the day with 5 micros. Yeah, I'm in the short already. I'm about to take a partial here just because I'm up big as fuck, by the way. Yeah, I'm in this build at 91. No, I see this going all the way to 900. This is another 100-point trade right here. Yeah, I only jumped in on one of my accounts. I didn't jump in on the other one. Damn, this bitch is going crazy right now. I think I'm gonna just take another partial here. I just get myself. I'm gonna trail at on top of that candle at 70. My 5 micros are up 550. I want 900. That's my TP is 900. That's 100 points, and I'm happy with that. I have one partial at 33 taken out. I have another one at 40 that's about to get taken out. And another one sitting at 50, 69, and break even. I only got 3 micros running. I've trailed almost everything. That was crazy. That was crazy. That's beautiful. If we break 50, I'm probably going to just close everything full. A break over this 50 for me would kind of be invalidation. I have one runner. I'm gonna go get my hoodie. I really don't even care, bro. I'm 50 points in profit. I'll be back. It gave that close over 50. That was crazy. And I think it can go long here. ES is way more aggressive. Got way more aggressive on ES. I mean, I have one runner sitting break even. My entry is 91. I have one runner stop at 89. I mean 91 and 89. So I already made $1,000. I want to see this. This is the final FVG here on ES. This would be what makes it hold to go down. If not, then it's just gonna rip through. But this is the correlation. ES is flipping, bro. ES held clean. NQ is strong, bro. Super strong. Where's the pre-market team? I told you on 9:30 open was gonna be aggressive. Like, I want to know, did the pre-market team eat? We ate. Good fucking job, buddy. Officially out.